Tennessee General Assembly is getting close to a vote on Amelia's Law that's named in memory of Amelia Keown.
She is the Maryville teenager killed in a car wreck by a prison parolee back in August of 2012.
And while there have been setbacks for Amelia's mother about getting this bill passed only on 6, she tells our reporter Don Dare she's never given up hope.
Amelia Keown will not be forgotten. The vivacious 16-year-old's memory will live on in a bill that will bear her name. In the Tennessee House tomorrow, members are expected to approve Amelia's Law.
And it's a perfect match for her case. So I'm happy. I'm very happy with this bill.
This Thursday we will be voting on the bill. My intent is to offer the amendment to make this, name it Amelia's Law.
On August 14, 2012, Amelia had been on her way home from school to pick up her pom-poms for dance practice when she was hit and killed by John Perkins, who also died. He had been out on parole after serving a quarter of his time in prison for aggravated armed robbery.
He just hit her. He just hit her head on and killed her instantly.
Amelia's family has learned that Perkins was high on drugs the day he killed the high school junior.
America, the United States of America.
Wayne Keown is Amelia's grandfather. You may know him on the WWE circuit as wrestling personality Zeb Coulter.
This was his 5th wreck in 9 months.
Amanda and her father met with State Senator Doug Overby in October of 2012. They were hoping a truth in sentencing type bill bearing Amelia's name would get through the legislature in 2013. They also took their crusade to Nashville, where Wayne and Amanda met with Lieutenant Governor Ron Ramsey. As Senate leader, he guides legislation, but Amelia's Law failed to pass last year.
The proposal is
this year, Representative Bob Ramsey is confident Amelia's Law will be approved by both legislative bodies. The law will call for this device, a transdermal monitor, to be worn by parolees. If passed, the law will go into effect July 1st.
From my understanding, when somebody is paroled that has a history of drug abuse or that their crimes were directly related to drugs or alcohol, then they'll be required to wear a transdermal device that will test them every 30 minutes.
I think there could have been intervention had this device been on the perpetrator of this crime.
But I know this will save other lives.
Though it's not exactly what she wanted, Amanda Moore is pleased with the present legislation.
She will be remembered.
She will be remembered. She's not just Amelia Keown who died on August 14th. She's a person. She's not just a statistic. I won't let her be forgotten.
As we said, Amelia's Law would authorize use of that transdermal monitoring device as a condition of parole where the defendant's use of alcohol or drugs was a factor in the arrest. The District Attorney General, parole board, or court would ultimately decide who wears the device. The bill will apply to people entering pretrial diversion, DUI probation, or parole after July 1st of this year. And Gene and Lori, on the 27th of next month, March 27th, Amelia would have been 18 years old and a senior in high school. And sometime next month, the Senate will vote on this bill.
Something's got to be done about
Yes.
these crimes.
Yes.
All right.